How to deactivate your Facebook account in this video. I'm going to show you how to deactivate a Facebook account, and if this video helps you, please consider giving it a like and also subscribing to my channel, because that really helps me out. Alright? So the first thing we need to do to deactivate our Facebook account is simply open up the Facebook app on our iPhone or Android phone, and then select the menu button in the bottom right of the app. Once the menu opens, select the gear in the top right to open the settings, and then once in the settings, the first section will be labeled Account Center. Go ahead and select See More in Account Center. The bottom. Once you open up the account, center scroll down and under Account Settings, select Personal Details, and then in Personal Details, select the last option, Account Ownership and Controls. Now that we're in here, all we need to do is select the last option, Deactivation or Deletion. Then select the Facebook profile that you want to deactivate. And you have two options in here. You can either deactivate your Facebook account, and this is temporary, or you can permanently delete your Facebook account by changing to Delete Account to temporarily deactivate our Facebook account. Make sure Deactivate Account is selected, and then go down to the bottom and select. Keep in mind if you have any Facebook pages that you're the owner on or the only admin, those pages will be deactivated as well. So go ahead and select Continue, and then once you enter your password, select Continue, and your Facebook account will be deactivated, alright? So that's how you deactivate a Facebook account.